Thank you to Qlayers for organizing this very nice event. It's a privilege for us as a highly innovative company to be part of that solution. It's exciting to see how our values of our product and the key values and the benefits of the 10Q robotic solution are very much aligned and synchronized. It's a great privilege, like I said, to be here, present our joint co-branded solution, because we do see the tendency in the market when an applicator is looking for much more efficient and more environmental friendly way of applying to component materials. And I think that's where we can provide joint solution together with Qlayers for better efficiency and better productivity to the protective coatings industry.